What's up, issues? Half of 29 here, and welcome to Saturday with M29 episodes and every Saturday morning to the night shift and vlog. Make sure to try this channel. We're both every 24/7, and all the regional stuff for Christmas. Try this channel. All my Pinterest as well. So basically, guys, pretty easy for one through out there for generations to come. For that today we're going to talk about the old hotels meaning results. So basically, it's not a cruise, it's not a yacht, and something like that for sure. One more story we're going to talk about the more people that these pretty unique crowd these will come to life from those so that and pretty unique for sure. Basically, these boats are pretty neat are very cool hotels like one bedroom, one bathroom and also around it is pretty unique for sure that these rather Korean islands. Is there really like that? Or maybe you want to create green notes of that for sure. More specifically, you can count the cruise, like the big giant cruises, so or traveling some of that for sure. More specifically, there's like local locations, some of that for sure. For example, say need for how peripheral what's your the price of range so or your budget of traveling anyway for sure. And pretty neat for how through history for how they're all the standards and all that. Establishments are pretty neat for sure, and pretty neat for how people want pretty for sure with that for sure, and make for all some good content and stuff like that for sure. Like I say, guys, hopefully you guys know there's lots of free cyber monsters, or not monsters, free little free Nancy's, some of that for sure. It's a great mostly people are agree, those stuff with that for sure. And now be agree for all so that like story for a heck of a honeymoon or pay for a time share all that for once and premium for let's say for example for mostly for how big is this trailer, what type of 5 1 was it like 5 1 star, 5 2 star, 3 star, 4 stars, or 5 star. Make sure you get really rings. So it depends on the being as well as that for sure. So like it says, hope you guys enjoy this video, guys. See you guys in the second video for Titans Attack on Titans weekend day one. And some of that. Anyway, guys, try to see you guys. Follow me, Princess Turkey as well. And always see you guys in the second video. Peace. Take care.